la clase, bienvenidos. Vamos a repasar. Me llamo señora Norsworthy. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Tienes 9, 10, 11 años? ¿Y cómo están ustedes? Yo estoy muy bien, gracias. All right, vamos a repasar. Vamos a empezar con el alfabeto. So, let's say our ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Buen trabajo. Y vamos a contar. ¿Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Vamos a repasar los días de la semana. ¿Ready? Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Otra vez. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Si hoy es miércoles, ¿qué día fue ayer? Martes. Y si hoy es miércoles, ¿qué día será mañana? Mañana será jueves. Si hoy es sábado, ¿qué día será mañana? Mañana será domingo. ¿Y qué día fue ayer? Muy bien. Viernes. Alright, los meses del año. Vamos a repasar los meses del año. Ready? Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Otra vez. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Buen trabajo. All right, now we're going to play the Spot It game. All right, spot it with things in the classroom. How many things can you find? If you spot something, say, I spotted something. And then say out loud what it is. I'll help you. Puerta. Silla. Libros. Aquí, libros. Ventana. Escritorio. Mesa. All right, just going to keep my finger here. Let's see what we got here. What do we got there? Tijeras. Lápices y plumas. And there's a cuaderno somewhere. Cuaderno aquí. Y papel. Buen trabajo. All right, let's spot it with colores. ¿De qué color es? Oh, I got some stars here. This is going to be easy. ¿De qué colores? You were looking at this, weren't you? Amarillo. Rojo. Morado. Azul. Verde. Otra vez. Amarillo. Y anaranjado. ¿Y de qué color es? Negro. ¿Y de qué color es? Right here. Blanco. Buen trabajo. Today, we are going to go over body parts. Actually, before we do that, we have 2 more things to go over. Let's go over food words and clothing, and I promised you guys last time that we would play a game, so we are going to do that. First, let's talk about what we eat and drink. So, yo bebo jugo. Yo como queso. Yo como manzanas. Yo como naranjas. Yo como sándwiches. Yo como sopa. Yo como papas. Yo como ensalada. Yo como pollo. Yo como leche. Yo como pan. Yo como bananas y plátanos. Yo como carne. Y yo bebo agua. And I just realized, I think I spaced it and I said yo como leche. Yo no como leche. Yo bebo leche y bebo agua. So, buen trabajo, clase. Y ahora vamos a repasar la ropa. Okay. Now you guys are going to play the game to see if you can beat Mrs. Norsworthy. And Mrs. Norsworthy has a lot of clothes on. So, keep track of your puntos and see if you can get more puntos than La Señora Norsworthy. All right. You guys stand, párense, if you are wearing zapatos. So, yo llevo zapatos. Yo paro, me paro. Standing. Okay, that's 1 point for me. Párense if you are wearing what's this called? Abrigo. Stand up if you're wearing an abrigo. This does not count as an abrigo. Has to be like a full-on coat. All right, párense if you are wearing guantes. Guantes. Yo no tengo guantes. Párense and give yourself 2 puntos. 2 points if you're wearing botas. It's been rainy lately. If you're wearing botas, 2 puntos. All right. Not 2 puntos for these. What are these called? Pantalones cortos. It's the only thing my kids like to wear, even if it's 30 degrees outside. All they want to wear is pantalones cortos. I bet you guys, some of you guys are like that too. All right. If you are wearing a falda, give yourself 2 puntos. 2 puntos for botas or a falda. Falda. All right. Párense if you are wearing a chaqueta. Y la señora Norsworthy tiene una chaqueta, so I am standing. Me paro for chaqueta. All right, what's this? Un gorro. Párense si llevan un gorro. All right, what's this? Vestido. If you are wearing a vestido, stand and give yourself 2 puntos. 2 puntos for a vestido. All right, next is what's this? Camisa. Yo tengo una camisa. Yo llevo una camisa. I'm standing. All right, that's another punto para mí. What are these? Pantalones. I'm standing. I got pantalones. Another punto para mí. And the last one is calcetines. And guess what? I'm wearing calcetines. And if you don't believe me, I'll kind of unzip my boot. You can see right there. I've got on calcetines. So let's count up our puntos. Señora Norsworthy tiene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puntos. I have 5 points. Did anybody else beat me? If you did, you win a big high five from your teacher. All right, well, a high five, I guess a distanced high five from your teacher. All right, now that that game is done, we are going to be reviewing body parts and places. I've set up some stations today. We're going to be doing a bit of traveling, but before we do that, let's review our body. Let's start from, well, we'll start with the whole thing. What's your whole body called? And stand up. Your cuerpo. Cuerpo. All right, now where is your cabeza? Cabeza. And your arm is your, or no, we got to do head, shoulders. We should play head, shoulders, knees, and toes. All right, these are hombros. So cabeza, hombros. Cabeza, hombros. Cabeza, hombros. Do it with me, guys. Cabeza, hombros. Cabeza, hombros. Everybody, you guys can stand up. Stand up from your desk. Cabeza, hombros. And then touch your arm. That is your brazo. Everybody say brazo. Good. All right. Next, we have this. What's this called? It is your estómago. Estómago. So touch your cabeza, hombros, brazos, estómago. Next, we have these guys. What are these? Manos. And these? Dedos. Manos, dedos. All right, so touch your cabeza, hombros, brazos, estómago, manos, dedos. Good. And next, we have our piernas. So everybody point to your piernas. Good. Pierna. All right, now point to your rodilla. Rodilla. I have cracky rodillas. You can't hear it right now, but every time I walk up and down the stairs, mis rodillas, they kind of make a crackling sound. All right, so point to your rodilla. Good. Now point to your pierna. Estómago. Manos. Dedos. Piernas. Or I'm sorry, not piernas. Brazos. Hombros. Cabeza. All right. We have one thing left. What are they? And don't you dare say pies. Pies. Good. Show me your pies. All right, so pies. Point to your pies. Rodilla. Pierna. All right, let's go back to your pies. Pie. Rodilla. Pierna. Otra vez. Pies. Rodilla. Pierna. Okay, I'll point to it. You say it out loud. Estómago. Manos. Dedos. Brazos. Hombros. Y cabeza. And the whole thing makes up our cuerpo. Buen trabajo. All right, today we're going to go on an adventure. I thought we could go a couple places in my classroom. I know it's not super adventurous, but hey, at least we're traveling a little bit. So today we are going to visit. If there's somewhere you want to be, we can just pretend to visit it. So I'm going to say, ¿A dónde vas? And you're going to say, voy a la granja. Now, remember, if I say, ¿A dónde vas? That means, where are you going? And when you answer, I'm going to the farm, you say, voy a la granja. Okay, so everybody say, voy a la granja. Yay! Okay, ¿a dónde vas? Now pretend we're going through a time warp. We're going through a portal. I've walked through a portal. And now here I am. And we have gone to the, ¿A dónde vas? Voy al campo. Good. Okay. Now we go through our portal again. Portal. And now we are in. Yo voy al zoológico. Voy al zoológico. All right, portal again. And we're going to say voy a la escuela. Okay, now let's go in a gyrocopter. I've always wanted one of those. A gyrocopter over to, and we can, or maybe we'll parasail over the ciudad. Everybody say la ciudad. Voy a la ciudad. All right, now let's go to, oh man. Oh, the movie, okay, the movie theater's over there. I was getting confused for a second, but I would still like to go to a museum. It's been a while, you know, with COVID, that we haven't been able to go places. So now, whoa, it's like we're going everywhere. Yeah. So, voy al museo. Voy al museo. Everybody say, voy al museo. Good. All right, now warp over to la tienda. This is the place that we go often. Say, voy a la tienda. Voy a la tienda. Good. Now I have my warp and I still have my Christmas lights up even though it's January, but I thought, hey, let's have some lights in January. Okay, now I've warped over to the biblioteca. I love la biblioteca. Say, voy a la biblioteca. Great. Okay, now where else can we go? Warp. Say, voy al restaurante. Voy al restaurante. Good. Now I'm warping over to the apartment. Say, voy al apartamento. Voy al apartamento. Good. Come with me. Let's go through another portal hole. Yeah. And, oh, it's been so long since I've been to the movie theater. Say, voy al cine. Voy al cine. All right, great job. And let's do some more warping, some more teleporting. Oh, can't you wait till you're at home? Maybe you are already at home. Say, voy a la casa. Voy a la casa. And now, voy al parque. Voy al parque. And last, voy a la iglesia. Voy a la iglesia. What is your favorite place to go? I think right now my favorite place, if I could go any one place, it would be El Cine because I haven't been there in such a long time. But other places I also miss would be El Zoológico. Where would you guys go? The country, El Campo, maybe a farm, La Granja, or maybe you're like me and you want to go to the Cine. Maybe you just want to take a trip to the ciudad. They're all fun places. All right, clase, I hope you have a wonderful semana, and I will see you la próxima vez. Hasta luego.